Castellum AI Advanced Search Tool helps reduce false positives and improve your results. Follow these steps to begin using our advanced search tool today. First, navigate to the Advanced Search page. Enter the full name of a designated party you want to search. You can search for an individual, entities, such as companies or organizations, vessels, or aircraft. Enter ID information to search across any identifying information associated with a designated individual or entity as provided by the list source. This may include digital currency wallet addresses, company registration number, passports, and more. Use the citizenship filter to only search by individuals based on their citizenship. You can also filter by locations associated with a designated party. This may be based on place of birth, registered address, or other location-related information. Lastly, you can use the type filter to only search by designated party type. For example, you can narrow your search to only screen against designated individuals, entities, vessels, aircraft, or locations. Select Search to review your results. Try Castellum AI Advanced Search feature today.